Okay, so a great idea for something, whether if you want to do a full lunch, you want to do a little afternoon cocktail, you want to do a vision board party. I also use this for my son's graduation when he graduated from high school. I call them wisdom keys, right? So there are these keys. You could call them keys to the kingdom, you can call them wisdom keys, and they're like these little keys, can you see? And so what we're gonna do is, if you have a party, use this for anything, even a wedding, an engagement party, right? You can have this out, and then as your guests come in, they write little things, and you can put them in a bowl or what have you. So what I'm doing for the declaration lunch that we're having for 2021 is that I'm going to create little tags to put wisdom keys on everyone's place setting. And so you can also use these as place card holders, but let me just show you guys how I'm gonna do it. So the first thing I do, I have my keys, right? I have this, you can get these on Amazon or wherever. And then I have my little cards. This is something where you could do it bigger or smaller. And scissors, this is left over from the flowers, but you always need a tool and a weapon. That was aggressive. And so I also have this because if you wanted to make it larger, right? And so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take our twine. All right, so we're gonna start with this. If I can figure out how to open it, which I think we open it here. And all I'm doing is like I'm taking this and I'm gonna cut it. Super simple. So I'm gonna show you 2 ways that you can do it. So I take the string like this. I'm going to put the twine through here, pull it through, so there we go, right? And so at this point, there's so many things that you can do with this. You don't have to have keys. Like I feel like you could also just wrap this around the end of a wine glass. There's so many things that you can do. You also use this as a gift tag, like for a gift, you can put it on a gift bag. But for today, we're gonna use these for a wisdom key. So I have this here, and I'm just going to put the key through, right? So I have 2 things. I have this and the key. I'm going to cut, tie, right? So you're gonna tie it, super simple. I think I got this twine from Amazon, but you can also get it at Michael's or a craft store. I'm just gonna do that. This extra hang, I'm just gonna cut off, right? And so this is my key. And so this is what I have. So there's a lot of ways you can do this. So I have this here, and then I can write, also, so you can write declaration here, and then the person can write it. But we also, in Journey of Kamilah Lifestyle, we chose a word for this year, a word that was gonna ground us, that was gonna center us. You can write your word on here. And this is what I have. So you can do it this way. I'm also gonna do something, or if you have a journal, this can also be used as a bookmark. There's so many things that you can do with this. And I'm also gonna show you how you can do it in a larger way, right? So let me show you how to do that. If you wanna have a larger piece of real estate on paper to write, so like for here, I just have my word for 2021 that you can write in the back, 2021 declaration or wisdom key. And so that is that. And then you could just also write your word on the back. But if you need a bit more real estate, I bought these pieces of construction paper and I just cut it out. You can see there. And I just cut this, and then all I'm gonna do is use this hole punch and do the same thing on this as I did here, but it will actually give your guests more room to write their declaration. So again, what I'm doing is, instead of having something super small like this, I'm going to create some more real estate. So how I'm going to do that is I'm just going to do a hole punch here, right? Like that. And the same thing, I'm going to take the twine, put it through the hole, and then I have to take one of my cute little keys. I'm going to put it through. sometimes the twine gets stuck. See, no problem, right? We go with all is well. So you're just gonna do it again on this side. And then that twine that got a little rattled, just cut it off. And then again, I'm going to just take it, cut, and tie. I'll tie the extra hang off. And then here, what you can do, you're going to write declaration. So again, I just have 2021 declaration, and I'm going to have it on the table.